Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to block all ads on your iPhone step by step. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's take it one step at a time. Step 1. Turn off personalized ads. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Look for Apple Advertising and tap on it. Now, turn off the toggle for personalized ads. This helps reduce the number of targeted ads Apple shows you. Step 2. Restrict Apple advertising. Go back to the Settings menu. Tap on Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under the Privacy section, find and tap on Apple Advertising. Choose Don't Allow to fully restrict ad tracking. This step ensures Apple can't use your data to show you ads. Step 3. Block pop-up ads in Safari. Scroll down in Settings and tap on Safari. Find the option Block Pop-ups and make sure it is turned on. This will help stop those annoying pop-up ads while browsing the internet. Final thoughts. And that's it. You've now blocked most ads on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.